Pregnancy is a beautiful journey filled with anticipation and joy, but it can also bring changes to your body, including the possibility of stretch marks. While these natural marks of motherhood are a testament to the miraculous process of bringing new life into the world, many expectant mothers seek ways to minimise their appearance. Fortunately, certain foods can help support your skin's elasticity and reduce the risk of stretch marks. Stay tuned and I'll explain. Hello, if we're meeting for the first time, a warm welcome to you. I'm Melanie, a dedicated dietitian focusing on nutrition throughout the crucial first 1,000 days of life, from conception through toddlerhood. This period lays the foundation for your baby's future health, and I'm here to support you every step of the way. I invite you to download my complimentary pregnancy meal plan from melaniemcgrice.com/pregnancy. It's packed with valuable insights and guidance to help you nourish yourself and your growing baby during this special time. Now, research tells us that around 90% of women develop stretch marks during pregnancy, most commonly due to hormonal changes and rapid weight changes. If you want to minimise your risk of stretch marks, try these natural preventatives. Number 1, collagen-rich foods. Collagen is a protein that provides structure and elasticity to your skin, making it an essential component for maintaining skin health. As your body undergoes changes during pregnancy, including the stretching of the skin to accommodate your growing baby, adequate collagen production becomes crucial. Incorporating collagen-rich foods into your diet can support your baby's natural collagen synthesis and promote skin elasticity. Foods such as bone broth, chicken, fish, and collagen peptides are excellent sources of collagen that can help nourish your skin from within. Number 2 is water. Hydration plays a vital role in skin health and elasticity, making it essential for preventing stretch marks during pregnancy. When your body is well hydrated, your skin is better able to maintain its elasticity and withstand stretching. Additionally, staying hydrated helps promote circulation and nutrient delivery to your skin cells, supporting their regeneration and repair processes. Aim to drink at least an additional litre of water compared to your usual intake, and incorporate hydrating foods such as fruits and veggies into your meals to support optimal hydration levels and promote skin health. Number 3 is fish. Fish is not only an excellent source of protein and healthy fats, but also provides essential nutrients that support skin health. Omega-3 fatty acids found abundantly in fatty fish like mackerel, salmon and sardines have anti-inflammatory properties that may help prevent stretch marks by supporting skin elasticity and reducing inflammation. Although there's not a lot of research into foods or nutrients to help prevent stretch marks, one study did find that women who incorporated fish into their diets were less likely to have stretch marks after pregnancy. And finally, number 4, strawberries. Vitamin C, found in strawberries, as well as citrus fruits and bell peppers, plays a key role in collagen synthesis and skin repair. 1 cup of strawberries provides all of the vitamin C that your body needs for one day. By incorporating a variety of colourful fruits and veggies into your diet, you can provide your skin with the vitamins and antioxidants it needs to maintain elasticity and prevent stretch marks. Although nutrition is important, the best thing that you can do to reduce your risk of stretch marks during pregnancy is to gain weight steadily based on your recommended requirements. If you'd like assistance with this, I'd highly recommend a consultation with a pregnancy dietitian. I'll link our details in the description box below this video. If you've already developed stretch marks, the earlier you can treat them, the better, but prevention is really your best bet. With this in mind, I'm sure your pregnant friends will be very appreciative if you share this video with them so that they can optimise their pregnancy diet too. And while you're here, check out some of my other videos on topics such as healthy dips to eat during pregnancy and dates for labour, fact or fable. I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Oh, sorry, I might do that one more time. I'll see you in my next video. Hang on. Sorry.